The true test of humanity. A stranger's pain. It was the holy month of Ramadan. After breaking his fast, Ali was leaving the mosque when he noticed an old man sitting by the roadside. His clothes were torn, and his face carried the marks of exhaustion and despair. People were passing by, but no one seemed to notice him. Ali stopped. His feet instinctively led him toward the elderly man. "Uncle, why are you sitting here like this?" he asked gently. The old man replied in a weary voice, "Son, I haven't eaten in 2 days. I have no food." The light of empathy. Ali's heart ached. He recalled his mother's words, "Son, the day you start feeling others' pain as your own, know that you have truly become the best of creation." Without hesitation, he went to a nearby restaurant, bought food, and placed it in front of the old man. As the man took his first bite, tears welled up in his eyes. The victory of humanity. Ali sat with him until he finished his meal. As the old man got up, he held Ali's hand and prayed for him. "May Allah always keep you happy, my son. Today you have given me hope to live." That day, Ali realized that true worship is not just about prayers and fasting. It is about feeling the pain of others and helping them. He thought to himself, "The day you start feeling the pain of others as your own, that is the day you truly become the best of creation."